This is Motorola Edge 30 Ultra smartphone, and today we would like to show how you can add numbers to the keyboard on this device. So first of all, let me show how the keyboard looks without the separate number line. From here you can either tap on this very cog icon and go straight into the Gboard settings, or you can also launch the general settings app, then enter the system category that is located at the very bottom of the page. In here go for the languages and input, on-screen keyboard, Gboard. At the Gboard settings page, enter the preferences section, and in here at this very page, all that it's left to do is to turn on the number row toggle. And as you will be able to see now, that will effectively mean that the separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device have been successfully activated. Alrighty, so that will be pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.